Destiny is
Oh
coming from a
Lord.
turnstile. I was over here yesterday and I hear them reading out some conversation between another guy and all the whole heap of mix up come up. So Destiny have him adding a lot of things because Destiny have a lot of phones with a lot of different names.
Yeah, but remember,
I know it is a girl and it will end back with a life with Macy. This ranting towards Destiny incident. Please like, share, and comment, and please subscribe. Bye bye, y'all. Mwah.
stank.
Yeah.
Enough time in need my family and they never did it. And a stranger did it for me. So you know what? It's good that your family stand up behind you. And I don't know, everybody can say that.
That is why I keep on saying. That is why I keep on saying. I cannot come and do the things them like almost see the people them do forget the gift and forget the money and everything. Because that means somebody have to use the girl money to help me. That means say, mother have to come out every minute I can them and I give them story and I tell them lies and whatnot or whatever. Because sometimes I have an understanding because sometimes I'm going for people. Sometimes people don't have no money, but them not have to come tell me say them not have no money, but just see it and know. Because if me I play a match, I always the same set of girls them come gift me. And then from sometime one new gifter will come. Me not have no barrage of people. Only not see me there so and everything on the head coming down make a dollar upon the app. See me there so hold on me there so now, hold on there. 2 hours, 10 minutes less 2 hours. What me get? Hold on there. 1,200 diamonds. I don't even think at $12 that. I can't come and do the things them like my system. I'm gonna ask for that of them. I never go in one of them DM go beg them nothing. No care all them. I never go in them DM go beg nothing. I have one or two or 1 3. When me we call and them say madam I buy a liquor and whatnot or whatever. I not go in them DM and trust me. I'm telling them if me have money and one of my special data call me and for me I'm here to advice like whatever. I'm a last. I'm never take it and give one of them. But me not have my last and take it and give one back to man. I'm sorry. Me not care about the one feel. Me not having my last and give no back to man. Me will have my last and give one of the girls them.
Let me tell you something. Macy niece, let me tell you something. Sean said he will have one bag of dog waste. And you know what me will want? Me don't want him beat him that no blood fi come. Me will want him take the bag and use the bag like the dog do the bag and beat him. And that me will want.
Turnstile.
He had dog poop waiting for her. Oh my
Turnstile,
God.
Macy and him have something. Oh, my mother-in-law drop into it. And my mother-in-law do even trouble people. Oh, she drop in it.
Well, Destiny, if you say it's people already,
You know, me never hear her at all.
Listen to me now. When me hear all Destiny Costal people, children, me not have no mercy for them dirty boy. Them. I can't consider you a woman. Because women care themselves better than that. And again, when you freak with people, Macy, when you trouble people, you don't get to tell people how to react when you trouble them. You live with the consequences of what you do after.
Yes,
But just sorry, say Sean never baptized. Pan alive.
But my question is, my thing is, what I want to find out, did she mess with him first? That's what I want to know.
Yeah, we never know this.
Nobody knows because Destiny.
Listen, this conversation with Destiny is coming from a turnstile. I was over here yesterday and I hear them reading out some conversation between another guy and all the whole heap of mix up come up. So Destiny have him adding a lot of things because Destiny have a lot of phones with a lot of different names.
Yeah, but remember, so Sean is not a madman enough. Sean is not a madman.
No, that means the two the same. Could just get up and let
somebody
say
it's half to come from somebody.
What did he do to her? Because I don't
close enough to him to mess with him the right and proper. That's why I'm glad to
Destiny Costal beg the government to change the address.
Hold on there. Hold on, let me hear a piece, sister. Wait, let me hear a piece, sister, girl, Anna. Girl, on top the screen. Begging us some money gun, please. Morning, Danisha.
Uno soon come here and say ask the government for change the address because kill Destiny dead. Nobody never know where him live. Brother.
Yeah.
No, sir. What
Yeah,
a
sure about that.
surprise it get.
All right, Macy. Let me say something, Macy. Is this out of character for somebody to just pull up on this
My gun in the kitchen.
this really peaceful person, this person that never interferes with anybody, never do any wrong there? Is it out of character for somebody out of the blues to just pull up on somebody that is so peaceful, that never say anything bad about anybody? Listen to me, this is not far-fetched. Destiny
Hey,
deserves
I
it.
mean, when get a surprise.
Turnstile, me gonna ask you a question. You ever hear when him a cuss and him say him have all heap a different phone and him have all heap a different username on the internet, so if anything him want him can do? We never hear him talk like that before.
Oh yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All the time.
Thank you.
Him always I say the most outrageous.
He's not innocent. Listen to me,
Him
my
a go,
mother-in-law
him we make man go
I'm not
beat you,
innocent.
because
my
man
mother-in-law
beat
the
you.
trouble people. I will
And
be
him have
out
police
destiny a class the woman.
and this and that.
I for wonder.
But sister, but what you she can't call my mother because she don't know nothing about my mother.
It doesn't matter. My married to your brother.
Yeah, but me know,
And once you hear Janet name come up, me go get upset and me go get
Destiny don't
frantic.
even
Because it's
Destiny don't
family.
even know my mother named Janet.
But mother,
Destiny, eh?
but mother, who people's going to believe because why you not going to believe when lies more entertaining than the truth?
Yeah.
People going to believe that she knows your mother, which she doesn't.
But it
Because,
mean
because whatever she's saying sounds to these people.
listen, me don't know Destiny in her life. Me don't know Destiny done tall. Me never hear about time. Me don't know her. Me don't tell her. So I come out and praise them the Instagram. Me don't know her. That mean I know her. She can't know my mother.
Yeah, but people will believe that she knows your mom.
Thank you. People will believe. That's it.
People will believe that because the lies are more entertaining than the truth.
Oh.
They're not gonna do their research. They're gonna take everything she said and run with it.
Run with
yeah.
it. Yeah.
You and people
Good
are
boy.
argue. Why, turnstile, me and you argue. Why you can't tell me some foot them sore and make it be between me and you? Why have I got the children of my mother?
Destiny look for weak spot. That never hurt you.
But
Then that's time I say we can leave Sean alone and make Sean do him or him
All
choose
right,
and see fit.
let's just say something. Nobody really knows who Sean is. Nobody don't know if Sean the past psychiatric medication.
Me know
Nobody
Sean.
don't know if
But listen now, I know Sean. Me know Sean personally. Me don't know Destiny. Destiny, I want 25. Must say I gotta be 25 or something. Me don't know Destiny. Nobody really know Destiny. And the gay coming like that. And the girl will come out in a 2020 something. Know Destiny.
So the point I was trying to say, you really don't know people and their characteristic until you then say you don't know how strong a tea bag is until you dip it in the hot water.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, look at this turnstile. One of the person with him and them in an argument. So the person Macy is not friend. So I'm not gonna cack, no problem. And him take the person him get the picture of them, the nude picture of them, and he put it into a group to embarrass the young lady. And there were women over his life. Women over him live. I tell him so what him do is not wrong. Then Destiny will forever be like this. I'm say anything get him to take.
You know what? I can't understand these people that watch these lives who think it's funny. Why do we sit and watch nonsense all
No,
day?
because remember the dirty people them and the negativity them prefer them like it, them like to bring them and then but this one I can't understand with woman. I love woman so much. But and I know that when it comes down to a gay person or a transgender person, when you're on social media, a woman are our biggest supporters, right? I'm gonna say, oh, she deal with woman. Oh, she deal with woman. The way of she deal with woman like she jealous. Even though she say she love woman, but how you love woman, how you deal with them so how you love woman.
Yes, you can't blame him for deal with woman bad when the woman them allow him to do it. Because if me come for your life, Macy, and you run me like that, you think you see me again?
Exactly.
All if you're dead and them have access.
That's why I keep saying I don't follow these people. Because he's not gonna talk to me any kind of way.
Them allow it. You cannot fault him there so. Because when him click him live, him never call you directly. I said, come watch
so
me.
true.
And you
That's
go over
so
there.
true.
Me not sorry for that
You
woman.
know him come for you and let's go you see Macy. You have to come for Macy for you see. You know but him no mind go for anybody man.
You know 1 millionaire. You see, most people follow her. I don't, because I think she's confusing the people who follow her with love, because she have this sense of false power, because she sees so much people follow her, so she think that she has the platform, and whenever she open her mouth, people gonna agree with her, because there's only one way on Desmond's platform. If you're not saying what she's saying, you can't stay there.
Exactly, same
That's
stuff.
that's like it's like she's like Fidel Castro
A
then.
dictatorship.
Yeah,
that
she's
they
a,
need.
she's a dictator then. Because if I
She's
can't
a
tell you you're
tyrant.
wrong, I need to be in your life. Period.
But I she alone stay for still. I most of
No,
them.
That's
but
why I
he
don't
does
go
it
into
to an
people's lives.
extent.
No matter
He,
what say their lives, I don't go. I don't watch their lives.
Macy is not him alone doing because we're talking about him.
Report them page.
Everybody else said
Yeah.
Sean Rank about it, but we don't know what he really did to Sean. Sean just left from Holland
That's
to
why I
go to
keep on
Switzerland.
asking, like, what did he do? What did she?
Come on, no man.
What did he do?
Come
What did
on
she
now.
do to him?
Me don't know Sean as a mad person.
Holland Sean
And
live.
if I put here, it's very petty. And if a boy embarrass me, especially in front of 6 million people, look here, me they take a taxi, me they take Uber, me they take a bus,
Okay,
me they go
thank
underneath
you.
the English channel, and guess what? Me they take plane, and me they sit them outside of your doorway in a snow, rain. Look here, just to prove a point. Come me petty.
Turnstile, I said
If
this
you
to you,
embarrass me,
Papa.
and you know no reason to do it.
My uncle, I said this to you. Anyhow, my mother-in-law, who is Macy's real mother, name is Janet. My mother name is Janet as well. I'm guaranteeing you this. They say, Macy brother, when me married to, it's not a man we talk. 2 words and him done. If Destiny was here and talk about his mother like that, me not ask you. Funeral I keep already.
But she wouldn't be doing those things in America because she know that she could be easily pinpointed. So she wouldn't be doing that in America. She wouldn't. She wouldn't be doing that.
That's why.
Because she lives
That's why
next to the moon.
That's why I'm telling her
She's
she get a
untouchable.
surprise. Because
Yeah.
Time, take your medication.
she's
Yeah.
thinking
Hello?
she is unreachable. She keeps saying,
Yeah,
Yes,
she
thank
that's
you.
the
No,
movie.
for me, I'm glad that's
she go like a Switzerland and
No,
she
me-
alone
me-
and
no, me a
she
eat.
like a Switzerland, you understand? So she really did get a surprise.
Yeah.
No, I'm glad that's
Shining
surprising.
Star, Shining Star, the point, Shining Star, the point I was trying to make is that you see people, you know, some put on clean clothes. I'm not saying Sean is mentally unstable. I'm saying you really don't know people. You see people that go on about them business, them beard and put on them clothes. You don't know what will send them over the edge. And I think, so don't get me wrong. I'm not saying he's mentally unstable. I'm saying you really don't know, because you see people beard and put on them clothes and then brush them teeth. You don't know if they're on medication, and guess what, it will take a straw to push people over the edge. Destiny must have done him something for him to spend so much time, effort and patience to find where she lives. Look here, people are not, he's not mental, and to my point exactly, he's not mentally ill to go out of his way to prove a point. Destiny must have done something to tick him off.
Thing is, did anybody Google how far it is from Holland to Switzerland? Because
Google
that's
it,
what I really want to know.
Google it now. Maybe not far.
I want to know because if it's more than 3 hours, something going on we don't know about. If it's more than 3 hours.
If
Let
it is,
me tell you something, sweetheart. Let me tell you
Destiny
something.
never do
You see,
everybody
alright.
something. I don't know who we know do something. What I think.
Destiny deserve
Let me
it.
say something. I tell you something. You see, when somebody do me something, want me do me sit down just before me fall asleep, and me say, you know what? Let me see what I did to provoke that situation. So me hold myself accountable. Let me tell you something. You see, if me find you guilty, deliberate attention, actions where you go out of your way for deliberately, or if you plan it like premeditation to hurt me.
It's a long time, darling. It's 8 hours.
Oh my God, that's like
train or
that's
by
like
driving.
that's like almost that's like from New York to London, almost just like 9 hours. So that's a damn long ass flight.
Guess what? And he could have calmed down. I mean, in between those hours, he's grown enough and sane enough to say, you know what the hell am I doing? She's
You're
not
right.
worth it.
Because
But
8 hours,
Sicilian
that's a
carried
long
out
time to
and
be traveling.
executed.
My bad.
The
4
man
hours
planned
by
it,
plane
carries out,
and 8 hours
and
by the train.
executed.
They must say I want 20 minutes.
No,
She's
3
out of
hours by
order.
plane.
I want
So he's
I
like,
want to know
so
what to say.
basically, if he lives in Florida, he's going to Jamaica. It's like an hour and a half. So, but yeah, basically that time.
No, them say 8 hours.
So the plane ride is an hour and 20 minutes.
Okay, that's going to Jamaica then, from Florida.
Look here, man. Let me tell you something. Whatsoever I'm doing to that guy, or maybe not directly, probably indirectly, probably it's a loved one. He was very passionate about teaching her a lesson.
So I want to play devil's advocate right now. Do we think Shay paid her? Shay paid him? Because I think so personally.
Nobody never get no pay for nothing. I don't think it happened
Or free. Or putting up as a favor.
Everybody knows Desmond and Desmond.
All I know that is a lesson well learned. You can't tell me say no learn.
I don't think she learned. I really don't think she learned.
Hello?
No, because she didn't get anything to learn from. What did she get to learn from? Nothing.
Listen, it's been years. How long now? Him do it. Nobody no get to it from them. All night man, nobody know where him live. So when you
know what's gonna happen? She's gonna next week. She's gonna move next week and do the same thing over again.
Hey, right now, she's nervous.
Now
That
I
never
don't
knows
know.
somebody else can find
nervous
that.
people know where him live. This is something we never know. Cause Switzerland, nobody know where one go Switzerland. Never know say somebody ever hold him.
But
Somebody
if
know where him live.
you know what I think she'll do next year, God's willing. I think she'll move and do the same thing over again.
Move and somebody.
Hey, but me tell you, she got the government to move her because she got say she feel unsafe.
I'm not laugh
Yes.
about it. Hold on there.
Yes.
I'm putting something else out. Listen, me I go block the number right now. I'm not gonna unblock it none at all. So anybody